welcome back. I hope you enjoy that, because I did. You know, whatever you can do to motivate yourself, you know. I like to do something before I engage sorry, my brain. So dancing is my thing. You can do your thing. What's your thing? What is that thing that engages you in the morning, in the afternoon, whenever you want to start something that's very important? You need that thing that will engage you. And for me, dancing is engaging. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you joined me, and I hope you did, you know, your own moves, yoga. That's not yoga. I don't know what that is, but whatever. I hope you had fun. So what I'm gonna do now, let's get back to business, because whatever you do, it should be tailored in stages for you to grow. So I'm gonna jump in on my computer now and then talk to you about the 4 principles, or the 4 components. I keep calling it principles, don't know why, but that will be another debate, right? But anyway, the 4 components of, you know, strategy to help your business, to help you grow, and how you can implement them. So I'm gonna jump on my computer and we're gonna go. Hey, oh, come. It's friendly. Yay. See, it's nice. It's a nice place. It is. Hey. Hey. Oh. Oh. You are sweet. You are sweet. Oh. Oh, don't run. Come. Come here. Oh, do you want to go on the couch? Oh, this is so amazing. I just opened the back door and a cat just walked in. Hey. 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 Oh, you are so lovely. You are so lovely. But I need to stop the video, Mr. Cat. If you wanna, you know, contact me, you know where I'm at. Jojo at tripletreemedia.co.uk. I hope you love the cat. I hope you love all the drama that just happened. All right, love you loads, and don't forget, keep focused, keep determined, and keep going. Yeah. Until next time. Bye bye.